Can the food a mom eats during pregnancy actually change what her baby's face looks like? Stick around, because this new research has a pretty wild answer. We already know that what a mom eats can help her baby grow strong and healthy, but scientists wanted to know, could food also change how a baby's face is shaped? A team of researchers from Sweden and the Czech Republic worked on this for over 5 years. They studied two groups of animals, mice and zebrafish, because their body systems work a lot like ours during pregnancy. They gave some pregnant animals normal food, some low-protein food, and some super high-protein food. Then they looked at the babies using really fancy 3D scans and genetic tools to see how their faces were different. Here's what they found. Moms who ate a lot of protein had babies with wider faces and stronger features. Moms who ate less protein had babies with longer, narrower faces. So yes, what a mom eats can shape a baby's face, but it's not about eating tons of protein. The real secret is in a tiny body switch called mTORC1. It reacts to the amount of protein and helps decide how the baby grows, especially the face. So, what can expecting moms do? First, eat a balanced diet. Protein is important, but don't go overboard. Talk to a doctor about what's right for you. Second, eat a rainbow fruits, veggies, grains, and proteins. All help your baby grow in different ways. Third, keep learning. The more you know, the better choices you can make. This study was done on animals, so we still have more to learn. But it's a big clue that what moms eat really does make a difference. Want to learn more cool science like this? Check out the description for the full study. And if you want more tips backed by research, hit that subscribe button now. Because every choice you make today helps shape your baby's tomorrow.